is game number 5 of the Western Conference Final. We've got the Stampede and Force in a winner-take-all here tonight. We are just moments away from the opening puck drop. Renkowski there, in front, he scores! Logan Renkowski, power play goal! Center, Renkowski fires, he scores! Away by Soko, gets it to McCready, where's got, he scores! Joey McCready! The Sioux Falls Stampede, for the first time since 2019, are headed to the Clark Cup Final. Yeah!